There once was a land where the skies forgot how to cry. The earth cracked, the rivers retreated, and the people waited. Then one night, as stars blinked with worry, a mist rose, and from it came the Rainmaker.
3 gifts I offer, but only one who understands their truth may summon the rain.
Nyari stepped forward, heart trembling but full of courage. First came the test of wisdom. Feed the village once, or plant a garden to feed them forever.
The garden, the future must grow.
Next, a test of compassion. A deer wept in pain, but a mirage of water called her name.
Hold still, little one. Let me free you.
The final gift shimmered. Break it, the wind whispered, and rains shall fall, but you shall never speak again.
Let the skies speak for me.
And the heavens remembered how to cry. Nyari never spoke again, but every drop that kissed the earth was her voice.